never know with these turns. All right, let me get the back here. Let me get my bucket. Huh? What's going on?
You just keep on talking.
Well, yeah. I'm doing a vlog. What am I supposed to not talk?
Don't give my ideas.
Oh, they don't. I don't have to give the haters ideas. Man, they came up with stuff I would have never dreamed of. I was like, what? Who would do that? No way I give an idea to them of negative things to do. So I have to be very strict this trip with, like, I'm not going to vlog at all from my room or take any photos from my room that are posted until after I leave that room because I don't trust you guys. So, which sucks a little bit because I do like posting that, so I just have to wait because I'm not staying at the same place the whole time, you know, so like when I leave that place I'll post, you know, like, and then when I go to the next place and so on and so forth, you know. But while I'm at a place, I'm not going to post anything from the room, not even for my work stuff, because you guys check that stuff too. I know your tricks. So I'll just take a bunch of photos, because I'm always taking photos, but have to wait till I leave. Can you do that? I'm going to spray right there. Yeah. You're going to get wet right now. Okay. This is turning out very nicely, and I'm going to vacuum it too. We have one of them shop vacs. Okay, I'm going to come on that side. I want to get it all wet again before I dry it so it doesn't get too spotted. So I'm going to come on the other side. And then I'm going to try and get dry as possible before it starts getting water spots all over it. You want to get dry before you get water spots all over your car. Okay. It's important. I'm going to come over here on this side. Otherwise, it just looks pretty bad after you wash it. It'll look pretty crappy with water spots, so it won't look very good. Okay, so we got that. So then I'm going to go get a towel. Okay, I got this big ass towel that'll work perfect. And then we're going to do the shop vac on the inside, but I got to dry it first. Because we cannot have it get too dry before. Otherwise, it's going to get all water spotted. Somebody's got a phone alarm going off somewhere. There's a phone alarm going off. He walked right into me. Come in the room. Okay. All right, I think I can take these gloves off. It's getting hot with these things. Hold on. Whew. Okay.
What's going on up here?
Here I'm getting up higher.
Jedi, now let's see.
Getting spotty. Dries too fast out here. I'm going too slow. Getting really spotty really quick. So I get the front